What's so special about this sign? It looks like an ordinary print, right? Actually, wrong. This print is anything but ordinary. In regular conditions, it acts just like any other print. But at night, when your car's headlamp falls on this signage, it reflects that light back at you to make the print visible. This is a night reflective signage, and it is perfect for direction signs on the roads or for safety signs in factories and industrial shop floors. The print does not require any electrical power, and yet in low light conditions like these, it shines to make the message appear instantly. And in case you're wondering, we achieve this effect by using a specialized night reflective media. And if you look carefully, you will see that there are hundreds, if not thousands of prisms embedded on the front face of this media. And these prisms act like tiny mirrors to throw back the light that falls on them. Road direction boards are the primary application of night reflective signages. And since these boards are typically installed outdoors, we use a weatherproof UV ink print to reproduce your design. This ink is impervious to the rain, sunlight, or heat. Moreover, these signs are also mounted on a rust-proof aluminum composite panel, which means that they are absolutely strong. They will not break or corrode in outdoor weather conditions. These high visibility signs can prevent accidents and sometimes even make the difference between life and death. So whenever you need to order a road direction board, a safety sign, or for that matter any sign that has to be visible in low light conditions, you might want to consider night reflective signs. And for more such innovative solutions in printing and signages, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.